Hey yo, what up guys? Welcome back to Flex Custom Garage DIY. My name is Mike. I've been away for a while, but I'm back now. So in today's video, we will be talking about the Kawasaki brute force front differential. This video will be for the older models from 360cc to 750, from let's say from the first generation until 2012 probably, when I don't know if they changed the differential further in the years, but the front differential of brute force, it's been notorious for breaking very easy, and there is a few things that are causing this, so we'll be covering in this video. So the story till now goes like this. I've been having a problem with my differential because I basically abused the machine on the heavy snow, with the snow plow in the front, with very high pressure tires, which is my mistake, and that caused my front differential to break down. Now there's a few things you gotta know when it comes to differential, especially front differential. You have an actuator, electronic actuator, which is electronic switch device, which switches from 2 wheels to 4-wheel drive, which may cause the problem, or low maintenance, no oil inside in the differential, or maybe leak of water inside in the differential may cause a damage. So I advise anyone out there that is having the same problem and is watching this video right now, always check regularly your differential condition. Like, just open the plug, check if the oil is good, if there is any leak of water, and sealings are okay and all that, because differential is very expensive to maintain. It's probably one of the most expensive things, except the engine parts. So what actually happened to my differential is that I heavy abused it on the deep snow, with the snow plow in the front, with the high pressure tires, but also I find out that inside my differential was a very low level oil, and because of that, probably that causes the breakdown of my pinion. Now I have my differential separate in pieces right here, and one thing I gotta tell you is that there is no gaskets between the 3 pieces, except this metal one which comes out. You gotta be careful not to break it or bend it. And this is the only sealing that it's inside the differential, between the layers, between those 3 parts. Let me show you how my pinion is. Look at this. This is like worn out very badly. And what it caused probably this to wear down this much is because my inside here there is a bearing, and most probably this bearing got stuck because I cannot turn the pinion, and because this broke down, most probably also the pinion got broke down. I don't know what's exactly the reason, but now my they call this Corona or spinning wheel. I don't know how they call it exactly, but this one is in pretty good condition. The bearings here are, and the sealings are in a good condition. But once I open the differential, I find out that I have only 200 grams of oil inside, and most probably that causes the damage. Now this bearing it's very hard to be spinned. So once you got a broken differential, one thing you gotta make sure is that you open and you see exactly what you have broke. Now if you wanna buy the pinion and the spinning wheel, which is recommended to be replaced both, you're looking at about $1,000 together with the sealings and the bearings and all the repairing kit. You're looking at about $1,000 to repair it, and you can buy a second hand probably for $200-300, which you don't know in what condition will be, but at least you can save some money by replacing just the bearings and the sealings, and use a second hand differential, which I did. Now here is the tricky part, and for anyone out there watching this video right now having a problem with his own differential, you be aware, be very careful from where you buy it, because I've been chatting with different people in the Facebook groups of brute force and Kawasaki, and because I'm in Europe, for me it was very difficult to communicate in the States with the people. It takes a long time because of the time difference, but also here in Europe, in Romania, in England, in Germany, I've been texting with so many people and trying to find the best scenario for me to purchase a second-hand differential. And there is so many scammers out there. I was almost ready to send money to a guy, which was a scammer. So you be very careful. Never send money on PayPal under friends and family option. Be aware if the person that you're talking to is legit. My personal solution to that was to purchase from Amazon or eBay. I ended up purchasing my differential from eBay, from United States, and it comes to Europe just about 2 weeks. It takes 2 weeks to come. No additional charges, thanks God. And we are looking at, I have a pretty much in a very good condition second-hand differential, which cost me about $270 dollars, US dollars, which in euros will be, let's say about 350 euros. And I was very pleased with it because the person that sent it to me, he said that it's in a good condition and everything, and it was. And because you're paying through PayPal, through eBay or Amazon, you're pretty much saved up, you're secure of your purchase. Now, another thing, taking off the differential from the brute force, it's kind of a pain in the ass because you got to take apart everything in the front. I'm talking about like winch, front suspension, wheels, everything. You need to clear it away. Also, your axle for your steering, you got to take this apart as well, and it's really taking a long time. Okay, sorry for the lights here. The lights are not so good, but let me show you. Now, have a look here. Let me put some light on. You need to take everything away. Look at this. You need to take everything away. And basically, the diff is located right here. You need to remove everything. You need to take off these bolts right here and just basically take the diff up and get it off right from here. This is the right way to do it. I've tried many other ways. I couldn't take it out from here. It needs to come up from here. I don't know why Kawasaki did it so difficult, but it's a pain in the ass. I'm telling you, you need to take everything apart. Now, another thing I'm concerned is about my actuator. If anyone out there know how to check if this actuator actually works and it makes the necessary turn right here to engage the 4x4, please leave me a comment below, because I've been trying to find a video explaining how this actuator exactly works and how to check it if it actually makes the full spin, and I couldn't find any information and any exact video of the right explanation. So please, anyone out there, leave me a comment if you know. But the moment I put the diff on, I gotta check if the actuator is working. That's all, folks. I hope you learned something important. I hope I answer the question of some of you who's watching this video right now. subscribe if you like. I'm doing my videos to share my knowledge and help the community. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.